Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from a savings goal in Rocket Money. So if you need access to the money you have saved, you can withdraw funds from your financial goal, formerly Smart Savings, directly in the Rocket Money mobile app. So to withdraw from a saving goal in this app, you'll need to first open it, of course, and on the dashboard, you will need to expand the savings section, right? So actually, I can't get or proceed to the dashboard, and that's because my Capital One bank is blocked. So we'll need to fix it to get through it, right? So at first, you will need to link an account, right? So then just tap the financial goal you want to withdraw from, and then just tap withdraw and enter the amount you want to or you want it to be withdraw, and then just tap transfer to confirm it, right? So what happens next? The money is transferred back to the same checking account that originally funded the goal, and the withdrawals typically arrive within 1 to 2 business days. You can withdraw up to $5,000 per day. Only settled funds are available for withdrawal if you have pending deposits, so you will need to wait for them to finish processing first. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.